Hey there, sweet-toothed adventurers, welcome back to our channel. If your idea of fun is diving into mountains of whipped cream, cherries, sprinkles, and everything sugary, you've come to the right place. Today we're indulging in a decadent journey through the wonderful world of massive milkshakes and dishing out some fun facts along the way. Hello, my sugar-loving friends. Look at this delicious, dairy-filled quest. We're about to explore the secrets behind the skyscrapers of the dessert world, massive milkshakes. But before we dive in, did you know the milkshake has a history as rich as its ingredients? Fact number 1. The term milkshake was first used in the late 19th century. But back then, it was an alcoholic beverage, similar to eggnog. It was only in the early 20th century that the milkshake became the wholesome, sweet treat we know and love today. Fact number 2. While we love our towering milkshakes here, different countries have their unique versions. For instance, in India, they have lassi, a sweet or savory yogurt-based drink. Over in Malaysia, they enjoy bandung, a rose syrup and milk concoction. Fact number 3. The trend of massive milkshakes, or freakshakes, as they're sometimes called, started in Australia at a place called Patisse. From there, the trend spread worldwide, with these monstrous shakes becoming a staple in dessert parlors everywhere. Fact number 4. The world record for the largest milkshake was achieved in the USA in 2018 by the Turkey Hill Experience. They made a massive shake that was over 6,000 liters. That's a whole load of milkshake. And there you have it, folks, the fun, fascinating, and creamy world of massive milkshakes. Who knew this delectable dessert had such a cool history? If you've enjoyed this sugar-laden journey, remember to hit the like button, share with your dessert-loving friends, and subscribe to The Sweet Spill for more scrumptious stories and recipes. Until next time, keep your sweet tooth sharp and your appetites large. Stay sweet.